The other agenda that we discussed today is relating to again reopening up of hotels and then homestays, restaurants and then tourist spot. Today the government has decided to direct to all the deputy commissioners with the concerned department to start having a close consultation up to the village level. And this decision we taken today, hopefully we'll be able to get the feedback from all the concerned deputy commissioners within a day or two. And direction has been given to all the deputy commissioners as well as the line department to have a close consultation immediately. And thereafter, government will take a final decision on this matter. See the decision again tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going for inspection. Myself, Honorable Health Minister, and then DCA and Urban Affairs Minister, along with the team of officers, DHS, and not only that, Deputy Commissioner of Shillong, KHDC, as well as the aim of Mlim and the association, Traders Association of Yeouido Market. So tomorrow we are going down. We will do the inspection and thereafter government will take a call on that. The next item. Today the review meeting was held under the chairmanship of Honorable Chief Minister. And let me recall back the decision we taken from all those in consultation closely with the religious leaders of different religion. That was on the 9th of this month. Ultimately, we issued one order. The notification is reopening up of worshipping places was kept it in abeyance. It was kept it in abeyance. However, from different quarters, we received a request, a petition, almost from all the religious leaders, again, to consider one request. And the request is that the government should allow the marriage or the wedding solemnization to take place inside the religious worshipping place. Inside the religious worshipping place. So, on receipt of the request from the different church leaders, different religious leaders, today the government has accepted this proposal, relaxation. Of course, reopening up of the religious places still not allowed, but it is allowed only for performing the ritualities of each religion as far as marriage and wedding is concerned. So therefore today we decided to allow this request, and also direction is being given to the deputy commissioners to do the needful. But those parties who wanted to get permission for this very purposes, they need to submit the application to the concerned deputy commissioners for necessary permission to be granted. Okay? Kawai karai.
We would like to update you the latest positions of the COVID-19 in the state of Meghalaya. as all of you are aware that we have only 17 active cases in the state of Meghalaya today. Those are already recovered. There are 26 of them. Then the total must be knowing it was 44 and one death. Then now those number of samples sent for testing till 15 June is 14,147. 14,147. Those who are tested negative, there are 13,303. So we are waiting for the result till today. The result awaited. There are 800 samples which are sent and waiting for the result and report to come. Then those entrants, mean the person coming from outside the state, till today, those who already reached Meghalaya are 15,454. 15454.